kind of animal here? This animal have a long neck. You know what animal have a long neck? Do you have anything now? Really, Maurice? See? I know you know this. Oh, huh? Who knows the answer? Who can see the correct answer? One said, what should it say? It's a, come on, it's a, is, snail. Yeah, you're right, Maurice. You like it, Maurice? You like it? Oh, what do you want it? Yeah. Alright. Okay, and one more. Just another tip again. You know what animals is? It's a lab. What animal? Lab? It's a lovebird. Yeah. Okay. Let's do this balloon for our new friend. Come on, guys. This is for you. Come on, who does that? Come on. Maurice! Yes! Everybody, let's clap your hands together for Maurice. Yeah. Happy birthday, Maurice. Maurice, you want to sit here? Yes, sit down here. Because today is a very special day. 3, 4, 5, and everybody let's shout together. Say happy birthday, Maurice!
Happy birthday, Maurice!
I can hear you. Can you please one more time? Please now, ready?
Happy birthday, Maurice!
Alright, today is Maurice's big birthday. So all the visitors, all the kids, welcome to Maurice's big birthday. So get ready, kids, because you know today we have a lot of surprises. Who wants present to you? Raise your hand. Yes! But before that, of course, you need to play to our games. Play to our games, of course, you will receive a special present from Maurice. Okay? That's deal? Alright, so you can follow this music, okay? Alright, here we go. To you, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Huh? Yeah, okay. Stand straight, stand straight. Okay, ready? And go!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Clap your hands! Galing You got 14 counts. So go back to your seat. Yan. But let's see the other kids. Because it's the first contestant, our high score, 14 counts. Okay? Who's next? How about from the back? Come on, Stevie. Come on. Here on the stage. Here we go. Okay, yeah. Please louder, okay? Try to beat 14 counts, okay? Because our first player, he got 14, alright? Say happy birthday, Maurice, as long as you can. Ready? Go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I didn't get a Ready? Go! Happy birthday, Maurice!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, well, anyways, really, thank you for... Huh? What's your name?
Edwin Andre.
Andre, okay. Sige. Ready? Get set, go!
Happy birthday, Maurice!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Oh! 20! Oh, 16. Anyway, clap your hands for Anika. Thank you for joining, Anika. Who's next? Come on. Alright. Hello, you're not great, Daddy, right? Okay, I come up with you. Alright, here we go. 23, our high score. Okay? What's your name? Okay, can you please louder, okay? Say happy birthday, Maurice. Ready? Go! 1, 2, Morris, ready? Go!
Happy birthday, Maury.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 13, 13, 13. Clap your hands for Usher. Anyway, Usher, thank you for joining. Who else? You want to try? Sweet, come on. After her, you're next. Sweet, okay? Our eyes were still 24 pounds, okay? I hope you can get 24, sweetie. What's your name? Chloe. Zoe. Zoe. Say happy birthday to Morris, as long as you get. Ready? And go!
Happy birthday, Maury.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16. Anyway, thank you, Zoe. Our high score is still 24, right? 24. Of course, join our game, okay? Maurice! Don't say happy birthday, Maurice. Don't say your name. Say happy birthday to me. Like this, okay? Say like this, happy birthday to me. Louder, huh? I'll try to do 24 counts. Ready? Get set, go.
Happy birthday to me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22! For Maurice, yeah! You got 22, and thank you to our birthday boy. Yeah, sit down again, Maurice. Okay, louder, like this. Happy birthday, Maurice! Ready? Get set, go!
Happy birthday, Maury.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11, that's it? Yes, okay. 11, go sa pa. Okay, alright. Oh, that's it, Pierce. So I think we have a winner now. From Maurice. Okay, what do you say to Maurice? Remove mo muna yung ano. Say happy birthday to Maurice.
Birthday. Maury.
Okay, clap your hands to our first winner. Alright. Yes. Inside your cup, you can ask your mommy or your parents. Or tito, tita. Guys, please count your kids, okay? You have only 20 seconds to collect that coin. Timer, start now! Come on, collect some coins as many as you can. Come on, boys. About your people, Kuya. Any kind of coin. If you have a peso coin, here have okay. 50, 90. Time is running, huh? Okay, come on. 18, 17. Oh, wait. Parang timbangan lang ito. Okay. Kailangan siya nasa ano? 25 coins, okay? Timbangan. Dapat na meron na kayo pag may nakita ako may dami-dami. Okay! Yeah! Collect your coins! Woohoo! Yeah! No pushing, ha? No pushing! No pushing! No pushing! Yay! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy Fiesta! Happy Valentine's! Yay! Woo! Ayan! Everybody's happy? Except to Heaven Mercury. Okay. Yan. Congratulations. Go back to your seat now. Sit down again. Sit down. You can go to your mom or dad, okay? Go back to your mommy or dad or tita. I need only the fastest one. Okay, the fastest. Candies. Yeah. Wow, congratulations. Yeah, give up your, what's that? I said, give up your individual cartoon. Give up your namin. Yan ang hindi ko tayo dito. Si Candice ka kasi, picture. Your name. What's your name? Anika. Oh, sorry, your name, guys. Go back to your mommy. What's your name?
Baby Andre.
Okay, sorry, buddy, your name. Okay. Next time, don't worry, we have a lesson again. Anika. And, here to bring here, after Emory's card, no card, this time, ATM, machine.
Machine. ATM machine. That's the machine. 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 Galaxy Statistic. No, I'm just kidding. Parang, hindi ka na kailangan yun, that's the way. This time, I need card again, but SIM card or any kind of SIM card. Come on. 10 seconds. SIM card. Pass two kids, ha? 10. Wala, wala na. SIM card. Hindi pa kailangan na. Okay. The first two kids, what's your name? Ali. Okay. Maurice, I think it's for you today. We have a prize for you. Picture, Maurice. Picture. Smile. You know who's the special guest? Because you know, guys, today is Maurice's special day. Today is Maurice's birthday, so we have a special guest from Avenger. You know whose Avenger is this? Okay. Are you ready, kiddos? All right, now let's please welcome our friendly Avenger. Come together for our friendly neighborhood Spider-Man. Yeah, Spider-Man.
Bakwang! Ayaw ka doon! Ayaw ka doon! Ayaw ka! Ayaw ka na doon, te!
Everybody got your red for Spider-Man! And now pretty boy, Maurice! Limpamon. Parang si Daddy, gusto rin yata ni Daddy, oh. Maurice! We have a special character. Yeah, you may invite all the characters here on the stage. Come on, all the characters. Yeah. Superman is in the house. Hey, Starboy. Everybody, ready, go. Okay, thank you very much, guys. Thank you, thank you. Okay. Maurice, ikaw na yun. Thank you, cameraman. Alright, so,
Pag ako hindi pa nanalo, sabi ko sa'yo.
let's continue
Ay,
in
manalo
our
ka naman,
game.
ma.
Who wants president by president? Okay.
Masahulay pa ako.
Let's continue our game, okay? And the kind of receipt. Resibo. Okay. Okay. What kind of receipt? Oh, ay, ako nagmamabili ko siya. Yun na. Ay, madadapa ko. Okay. Mr. TJ, okay, guys. I said, sexy mommy, alright? So of course you have to show mommy. Look how sexy. The kids! Okay, alright. Mommy, here, let's start in line. Okay, number 1. Number 1, number 2, number 5. Stand up there, mommy, okay? Walk until here, Ilami first, Mr. DJ, alright? Oh, mommy, sexy number 1! Mommy, number 2! Sige. Nagustuhan. Okay, mommy, number 3! Pasok! Ayan, Okay. Hey, mommy, the last mommy, number 4! Come on, mommy. Okay. Come on, the front shirt. Okay. Clap your hands out. What sexy mommy. Congratulations, mommy. Okay, but we need only one winner. Who's the most sexy mommy? Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Can you please shout? Who's the best mommy? Number? Who's the winner? Parang yan ang palakpak. Kung sino yung pinakamalang palakpak, siya yung pinakamaraming kamag-anak. Ang binapihan niya. Amen. Congratulations to our four sexy mommy! Yeah. Maurice, get the prize. Come on, give it to our winners. Yeah, Maurice. Yan si Maurice po magbibigay. Congratulations! Picture after Maurice, stand up here, Maurice. Yan, stand up here. Don't be shy. That's it. Ako, mahiya yung mga TV natin. One more, last. We need last daddy. Yeah, our people. Who can vote? Daddy mo. Daddy mo. Okay. Mo, daddy mo. Daddy, dapat ito, pasok! Ayan, lang. Itaktak mo. Sit down, dali. Okay, ready, come on, dali. Galing yung daddy, Okay, talented daddy. Yan. Mr. DJ, we have a special music for the kids. Yeah, dance music. Come on, dance, baby. Yeah, okay, here, okay. Yeah, okay, baby, that's it, okay. Come on. Come on, join, dance. Come on. Alita. Yeah. Come on. Okay, come on. Yes. Show your best movie, Oh, wow. Okay. All right. Let's again. Okay, baby, come on, dance. Come on. Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Go, ready? Come on. Yes. All right. Hey, next, next. Come on. Ready, hit your turn. Charlie, run it. Come on. Okay, all right. Okay. All right. Hey, next, come on, ready. Show your best. Come on, dance, dance. Okay. It's your turn. Come on, Charlie, run. Oh, yes, master. Master. Captain America, pasok! Oh, what? Yeah, Bumblebee, it's your turn! Yes, come on, baby! Okay, relax! The birthday boy, Maurice! Oh, come on, Maurice! Yeah, wala talaga akong masabi ni Maurice. Yeah. Okay, performance tayo sa akin. Oh, everybody, let's dance together! Come on, party! Yeah! Alright! Oh, wow! Alright, now, we have only one winner. Who is the best dancer? Who is the best dancer? That's sila. Alright, go there guys. The menu of Florence. You give the prize. Congratulations! Yes! I know you're a good dancer, kiddos. Okay, and then go back to your seat, kids, huh? And don't forget, okay, after the games, we have a magic show. Wow. I have a simple magic tricks for you kids. Go back to your seat now. Go back to your seat. Yeah. Go back to your seat now, kids. Go back to your seat. Go back to your seat. And before we move to our magic show, I think let's move on now to our very special part. Kids, go back to your seat. Please sit down, okay? Kids, sit down now, sit down. And go here. Very special part for Maurice. Can you please stand up and let's sing together? Okay, of course, our celebrant. So Maurice, before we go, we're going to sing first for you, okay? Alright, so kids, let's stand up and let's sing together. We have a birthday song there, so we can follow the music. Alright? Susie, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Alright, make it faster, one time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Magkano first, mom? Magkano si mami ha?
Happy birthday na! Wish lang namin ng dad, syempre ang good health, good boy always, and ayun, sana happy ka always and healthy. We love you so much. Happy birthday, Morris!
Mahabo na Daddy! Clap your hands for Daddy na Hello mga besties! Happy birthday, Morris! Happy birthday na! And sana happy ka ngayon. Sana happy ka ngayon na kasama ng mga classmates mo. And sa mga mommy and daddy niya nila, maraming salamat po sa pagpunta, sa mga kabanda ko, sa mga kaibigan ko, kaibigan namin ni Lily, sa lahat ng mga sumuporta dito, at syempre sa Manila 21 family. Thank you very much, Christopher ng Julie, sa lahat ng mga waitress, chef, and of course, bartenders, sa inyo lahat, maraming salamat po. And sa mga nagbigay ng cake, at syempre si Pokwang, thank you so much. Syempre si Mama JC Dang Cakes, thank you very much for the cake. At syempre ang ating mga bagong dating ng mga friends, thank you so much for coming. And Maurice, happy birthday again. And dito na kami ni Mami at sa kanila Daddy para alagaan ka, okay? I love you and magpakamain ka at galingan mo lagi sa school, malapit yung pasukan, okay? Yan ang wish namin sa'yo, sana lumaki kang mabuting bata, okay? Happy birthday!
Thank you very much, Dad and Mommy, for the wonderful birthday from Molly. And once again, happy birthday, Molly. Picture kids, come on! Camera, compare. Look at the camera, everybody! You can sit down, come on, you can sit on the floor. Come on, sit down on the floor, sit down, yes. Sit down on the floor, huh? Cheese! Rocky! Stand up, guys, stand up. Alright, look at the camera, one more. Go back to your seat. Go back. Yeah, back. Don't worry, later. I'll give you a chance to touch the rubber. Okay? Touch it. Okay. Alright. Go back to your seat. Alright, that's it. That's good. How's the color? I need one brave boy. Who's brave here?
Maurice!
Maurice, are you a brave boy? Maurice, stand up here. And I need one more brave boy. Okay, sure, you're a brave boy. Okay, yes, stand up here. Alright. Now, before we start this magic, let me show you this, my very important magic cup. Maurice, I want you to hold this cup, okay? Two hands. And then don't move, okay? And I have one more, alright. Where are you? I have that very special magic here. Alright, kids! Do you know what is this? Yeah, it's a magic wand or magic stick. What's your name? Name? Again, I want you to hold the magic wand, but please don't do anything. Don't wave the wand, don't point to your friends, maybe they will become a frog, a pen, or please, hold the wand. Alright, now get ready for my next magic, okay? Now, my next magic is what happened to that? Okay, don't worry. I'm a very good magician. I'll push the magic one, okay? And now, please, this time, don't break it, okay? Hold the magic one. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, alright. Alright, next magic. Okay. What's going on? Don't worry. I'm not going to and, alright, I think this time, please hold the magic wand. Reach here, two hands. Okay, hold the wand, two hands, left and right. Okay, up and down, and hold tight. Don't break it again, say promise. Very good, your promise. Alright, now. I have a new one here. Forget the broken one. Anyway, guys, our great one. Thank you. Very please go back there. Now, I need only the Our birthday boy, Morris! Do you believe the guys Morris will do magic? Yes?
Yes!
Very good. Ready, Morris? Okay. Oh, so scary. Alright, ready.
Go, Maurice!
Good job, Marius. How do you do that? Alright. This one, next magic. I need a one brave girl. Who's brave here? Hey! Alright, galing ha? Okay.
Gusto mo lang.
Alright, everybody! What is this, Marius? Everybody go on one to me! 1, 2, 3! Maurice, you just five dance costume. Okay?
G.
Maurice!
G.
Look
Show to Maurice.
Look to Maurice.
Show to Maurice.
Okay,
Show to Maurice. G.
you have to choose five dance costume. Who's the first one, Maurice? Who's the first one? One.
Here, oh.
Yeah. Argana, congratulations. Argana, stay here.
G.
And next,
G.
second, there's a costume.
Maurice. Show to Maurice. This one, show it. Like this.
Thank you very much, Maurice. Okay. Come here. Stay here. Alright, who's the third? Next, third, there's a
G.
costume.
Juju, go up, go up. Show to Maurice your costume. This one.
Okay, Bumblebee. And the fourth. Okay. Oh, Maurice.
Yes! Babaero.
Okay.
Show. Juju, show to Maurice this one.
Last.
This one. Show this.
Happy. That's a costume. Yes. Another that. Come on, Maurice.
Oh, press it.
congratulations. And let's take a one big shot again together with the birthday boy. Maurice, stand
Go there, go there.
Get the kita, Maurice. Stand up. And kids, look at the camera. Okay. Look at the camera. Again, let's take a picture. Come on, boys and girls. Mom and dad, everybody! Snow White, come on, get us here. Everybody say cheese! Rocky!
Morris, man! Morris! Fight Morris!
And then everybody say cheese! Say happy birthday to Maurice! Yeah, everybody clap your hands together! The old birthday boy! Happy big birthday, Maurice! You know what? I don't get it, come on. That's the question going right down. Kids, go back here. Wearing costume.
Hi, Marga!
Come on, show your costume here.
Yes, she's celebrating birthday also today. DJ can play a birthday song for Zia. She's celebrating birthday also today.
It's the birthday ceremony.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Zia and Maurice. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Alright, happy birthday, Zia and Maurice. Now, sino ang mananalo ng best in costume? Okay. Tanungin mo na lang yung mga guests, malay mo, 50% from the audience, 50% from Maurice. Okay, just clap your hands yung mga guests natin kung maganda yung costume nila ha. Para pa kami kasamang hilawan. Costume number 2! Parang tuto, no? Costume number 3! Costume number 4! Costume number 5! Costume number 6! Grabe naman. O, maiwan yung mga malalakas. Maiwan. Okay, ito na. Last. Final vote. Okay, costume number 1! Hindi mo nanalo na. Costume number 2! Costume number 3! Okay, upo number 2, iwan number 1 and 2. Okay. Okay na, final! Costume number 1! Costume number 2! Alas, sinanalo! Nagkakuha ka. Tingnan natin kay Zia kasi birthday niya. Zia! Halika dito! Kaya ko lemon pa kayo, pakuhan ng kalawang. Kaya ko lemon pa kayo, pakuhan ng kalawang. Ano si Zia? Zia! Ano si Zia? Picture! Picture mo tayo! Hoy, bigyan naman natin yung isang malakas na palapakan yung clown natin. Yung whole suggestion. Kaya sa lahat po ng mga gustong kunin siya sa birthday, pwede niyo pong kunin yung contact number niya ngayon sa mga kanyang details para makaraket din siya sa inyo. I'm sure, upuan pa lang. Makala ko marunong mo ako ha. Okay, picture. Maurice! Guys, yung mga nandito po, huwag muna po kayong ulit. Kung gusto niyo pa po kumain, pwede pa po kayong kumain ulit, bumalik ha. Ay, so pwede niyo na po pakainin yung mga bagets. Yung mga daddy and mommy, yung mga gusto pong kumanta, pwede po lang yung kumanta o pwede po lang yung karaoke. So, alam na natin kung sino makakantahin natin. Yung mga mahilig po kumanta, may karaoke po tayo ha.
Ano nasabi mo? Nanalo ka na.
So, pwede yan lang gawin natin. Maraming salamat. Nag-enjoy po ba kayo? Maraming salamat sa banda ko, sa mga kasama ko sa music industry. Maraming salamat po sa pagkakas ng mga ginagawa namin. Thank you. Okay, kanta na tayo. Sino kakanta?
Hello! Anda na! Kakanta na!
Gusto ko lang mag-thank you sa yung malaking bear natin, galing kay James. Nag-picture na po ba kayo sa bear? Maraming salamat po sa mga kabanda natin. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta.